Your liver is a vital organ that performs many functions, such as filtering toxins, producing bile, and storing vitamins. However, your liver can also accumulate fat, which can lead to inflammation, scarring, and liver disease. To prevent this, you need to eat foods that can cleanse and protect your liver. Here are 8 foods that can help you detox and defat your liver. Coffee. Coffee can stimulate bile production and reduce liver enzymes, which can improve liver inflammation and prevent liver damage. Tea. Tea, especially green tea, can provide antioxidants that can protect the liver from oxidative stress and cancer. Fish and chicken. Fish and chicken are lean sources of protein that can provide the building blocks for liver function and repair. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and grapefruits, are high in vitamin C, which can boost the immune system and prevent infections that can affect the liver. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are rich in folate and vitamin B6, which can support the production and maintenance of myelin, the protective coating around the nerves. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries and cranberries, are loaded with anthocyanins, resveratrol, and vitamin C, which can fight inflammation and modulate nerve growth factors in the liver. Ginger tea. Ginger tea can reduce nerve pain and swelling, as well as improve blood circulation and oxygen delivery to the liver. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea can induce relaxation and sleep, which can promote liver healing and recovery.